guys, I use 1 pack of super braid expression. You cut to your desired length, then select it, then brush to make it to be smooth. The next thing is to set your machine to be at 10. Guys, make sure it's at 10. Then we have to sew. Cut the mouth to be sharp, to be blunt, so you can sew it on the machine. Then guys, you have to comb, then sew to make it to be in a straight line so it will not shift or scatter. Then sew. When you sew, you comb again, just like that. See that, guys? This is just one line, but it's not well secured yet. You have to go the second time. Please subscribe. I love you. At this second time, you don't need to comb this because the first line has already made the attached to be in a straight line. It can't shift. So we go again, guys. The third time. Guys, we go again the fourth time. So this is 4 lines. You have to check to know if it's still loose. If it's loose, you can sew it, but if you feel that it's not loose, you can leave it like that. So guys, we sewed it to be 5 good times. So the next thing is to fold it and sew. But wait, before you sew this, you have to set your machine back to be at normal stitching, which is 6. It all depends on where you want your stitches to be. To secure it, then fold it the second time. And sew. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's tighter, very, very tight. Then brush. Then trim the unwanted ropes and the hairs that comes out from the up part of it. So guys, this is what it looks like. Very smooth. So guys, the hot water, not too hot. I can easily dip my hand inside. We're using Elan product. It's very, very good, both for natural and chemically hair. That's the relaxed hair. It's very, very good. So I added shampoo, then mix, dip the hair. See, it's not too hot. I can easily dip my hand inside. Using my old towel. Please don't mind my towel. I just decided to use one of my old towel to do this. Then brush. I love brushing because it's very easy. Using comb will make it to tangle. Then leave it to air dry. Then see what it looks like. Dry and silky. So guys, fold the hair into two, then brush it to be very smooth. I've already plugged the iron because it can be very hot, but now it's on a low heat. Make sure it's on a low heat before you iron it. Please make sure it's on a low heat. Better still, plug the iron. After some time, unplug it, then use it to iron. So this is what it looks like. Very, very silky, guys. This is silky. I love the silkiness. See the shiny. It's very shiny. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see that? Guys, can you see that? Guys, this is real. This is so real. I love this. I love this. Crochet. This is just to know where to start crocheting. That's why I'm using my eyebrow pencil to demarcate it. So guys, crocheting can be difficult, but make sure the crochet passes the loop. You see that loop that locks them out, make sure it's passed through that net. If it doesn't pass through that net, you cannot hook it and draw it. Then close it, draw it. You see that? Then use your hand to hold the hair, then hook it back, close it, and draw it. Guys, you see, it's easy. I know it's not all that easy, but let's try it again. Hook it, make sure it passes through the net, then hook the hair, close it, draw it, open it back, use your hand to secure the hair, then hang it, close it, and draw. Let's go again. Then lock. So guys, making this closure is not all that easy, but you just do it at your own usual time. It can take you 4 days or 1 week, depending on how fast you are. See that, guys? This is what it looks like. It took me 4 days to achieve this. The closure, guys, you use your thumb tack to secure the edge of the closure. Secure it. If not, it will rumple, and you want your closure to lay down very well. So you have to secure it with your thumb tack before you sew. Then tie it. After securing it, you tie it like onions. Tie it very, very well. Then start sewing. Guys, the next thing is just to cut out the back net. Guys, make sure you sew the mouth of that place that you cut, because it might have affected it to be loose. So secure that place very well, both the right side and the left side. Then using my chalk, I draw the lines to know where to start sewing the weave on. So we go like this.